Today we are going to learn how to make a resin 3D bloom flower coaster. It's easy and beautiful. I have already measured the resin and mixed it well, then pour into a mold. Then I used white and pink pigment colors. First I took white pigment colors and draw a flower petal pattern. Then pink pigment color with the same pattern. Then, with the help of a skewer, I gave a shape. And at last, I added glitter in the center of the flower. The next day I demolded it. Wow, it looks beautiful.